Egypt exists because of the Nile River. Without it, there would just be desert. Every year, the Nile flooded, leaving behind rich soil perfect for farming. That's how Egyptians grew wheat, barley, and flax, food that fed millions. The Nile wasn't just about farming, it was their highway. Boats carried people, goods, and ideas up and down the river. It truly was the heart of Egypt. 2. Pharaohs and power. At the top of Egyptian society was the pharaoh, king, ruler, and god all rolled into one. Pharaohs were seen as chosen by the gods, responsible for keeping order in the world. They built massive monuments to show their power, like the pyramids at Giza, which were actually tombs designed to prepare them for the afterlife. Think of the pharaoh as both a political leader and a spiritual one. 3. Beliefs and the afterlife. The Egyptians believed life continued after death, but only if your soul was properly prepared. That's where mummification came in, preserving the body so the soul could live forever. They believed in many gods like Ra, the sun god, and Osiris, the god of the afterlife. These gods explained everything from sunrise to death and shaped their daily lives. 4. Achievements and legacy. Ancient Egyptians were incredible builders, artists, and thinkers. They invented one of the earliest forms of writing, hieroglyphics, carved on temple walls and written on papyrus. They created a 365-day calendar, advanced medicine, and built monuments that still stand 4,000 years later. The pyramids, temples, and art continue to inspire the world today. It's not just old ruins in the desert, it's the story of how humans built one of the first great civilizations. Don't forget to subscribe for more history explained clearly.